Hello, today we are drawing an ant. So first we do one curve, then we do the other side, like that. Then we do a big oval, a bit bigger than the first one, and then one smaller than the middle. Okay, then we are going to do about 6 legs, and then 2 antennas with balls on the top. Then we are going to do a face. You're probably wondering that it's not going to fit in since it's black. So we are going to do black quite light, like that, and the rest of the body dark, so we can see our face. If you don't want a face, you can just fill it in hard with no face. Or you could add a face. Okay? We are going to fill in the second body part of the body, then the third. There. We have drawn our ant. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like if you like the video. Please subscribe.